Okay, so good morning all of you. Today we have to perform our practical number 1 ka A, introduction to Arduino no board without breadboard. Okay, so today we have to perform our first practical, that is practical number 1 ka A with the Arduino Uno, that is your Arduino Uno R3. We know that in Arduino Uno 3, in the top and bottom we have two pins. First one is analog pins and digital pins. So analog pin is available from A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5, and digital pins from the pin number 0 से लेकर pin number the 13 is present for you can connect from the pin number 0 to pin number 13 where you want it. Okay, and there is a power supply board. You have seen the power supply. There is a two power supply. First one is 3.3 volt and second one is a 5 volt, and two ground also, and two ground in bottom and one ground at the top. So let's start out the first practical. The first practical is introduction to the Arduino Uno board without breadboard. So we have to perform the practical with the multiple LED blinking. So this one is a LED. So see here, in the LED we have the two terminal. First one terminal is anode terminal and second one is a cathode terminal. Basically anode one is the positive and cathode one is negative. If you just for example, if you are not remembering what is anode and cathode, so just remember that the straight one is negative and the bend one is your positive, right? So we have to perform practical with the multiple LED. Together we can start. So uh, let's start. So that is our LED number 1, then LED number 2, then LED number 3. Okay, so you have to see in the all LED has the same color, so I would like to change the colors. The first one is red, so taking the red, and this one I will take a green and blue. Now we have to connect all this LED with our Arduino Uno board. So always remember, whenever you connect any component with our LED, so you have to by default connect the register. Okay, because the register registers the extra amount of current provided by the any component like the microcontroller or microprocessors, so protect our LED from the high voltage of current. So we have to use a register. So there is a LED, so we need a three registers. By default you can use the 1k. If you are changing the value, so you can change this manually from k to o according to you. Always remember, whenever you connecting to the ground, yeah, negative, so use the color of wire is black. So that is first connection. Second connections, second LED, that is LED number 2, and the LED number 3 is connected to the negative terminal of LED number 3. Now from one second terminal to the first terminal, and there is a terminal to number terminal 1 and terminal 2 and terminal 1. Next terminal you have to connect to the ground. You can connect the top of the ground and bottom of the ground also, so I have to connect at the top. So let's start. Ground, the first one. Since circuit design is not mandatory key, you have to copy my circuit designs, you can create on circuit. Then second LED, then also the third LED, it will be go to the ground. Okay, so the basic connection of LED is done. Now we have to connect this LEDs to our digital board, because we know that the LED is working, basically is working on the digital signals, like there is only two state, either it will be the on or off. So I am choosing the pin number 9, 10, 11 to connect this LEDs. So first The first one is red color. So always remember, red and black color is you will use for the universal power supply. Red is basically for the positive and black is the negative. So I'm choosing the orange color. So I have to connect from the pin number. It's not mandatory to you have to connect from the pin number 9 to. You can choose the any uh, pins from pin number 1, pin number 0, say pin number 13. Okay. So I want to connect from pin number 9 to 11, so I can connect it accordingly. So next is green. So green wire is available here. So I will connect and pin number 10. The next LED is blue. It will be go to the pin number 11. Okay. So again see the connection of the LEDs. First LED and second LED and third LED. It has a two, all LEDs has a two terminal, negative terminal and positive terminal. So negative terminal by default via register it will go to the ground, and another the anode terminals which is our positive terminal, it will go for the signaling like a digital signals from pin number 9, 10, 11. Okay, so almost the connection is done. Now we have to program to run this LED sets multiple time. So see here on the right hand side there is an option of the code. Go to the code, and whenever you are doing the first time practical, so when you choose the code, so this type of interface will be the open. So go here and select to the text mode. It will be give you pop up like if you continued for the text, yes. So this type of inbuilt program will be available. So select it and delete it. Now we have to write the program here. So already write the program, so I will be allowed to the copy and paste. So the my connection, first we have to initialize our pin numbers that is connected on the digital board. So I will be change the pin connection. That pin connection is red in 9, green at 10 and blue is 11. Okay, so in the program, the first work we have to initialize our pin numbers. After initialize the pin numbers, you have to define the pin mode. Okay, basically the pin mode is important to predefined on in this program, because we know that key all digital and analog input and out this pins is available for the input and output. So we have to define the pin mode key. We are using this pins for the output, yeah, input. Now uh, a simple loop for digital write high, and we have introduced our delay that is 900 nanoseconds, and simple delay we have to introduce here. Now we the code part is done. To start the simulation, okay, when you start the simulation, see here the multiple LED is running. First one is red. After 900 nanosecond is green, blue, red, green, blue. Okay, so that is your practical number 1 ka A. Thank you.